Good morning and Assalamu alaikum 7th class. How are you students? Hope so you all are fine and taking the online classes regularly. Student, hope so you are taking good care of your health and studies as well. Student, today we will I will explain you chapter number 1, atoms and molecules. So students, open your book which is lower secondary science 1, the chapter number 1 which is atoms and molecules. Student, today our topic of discussion is what is an atom. Student, what is an atom? For many years, people have wondered what matter is made up of. Some ancient Greek philosophers believed that all matter was made up of four substances, namely earth, water, air, and fire. Ancient Chinese philosophers believed that matter was made up of gold, wood, water, fire, and earth. About 430 BC, a Greek philosopher named Democritus suggested the matter was made up of indivisible particles called atoms. So students, the atom was discovered by the Greek philosopher Democritus. He was the first scientist who discovered the atom. Before this, the atom was not known. So student, the definition, the easiest definition of atom would be the smallest particle of an element that can exist or take part in a chemical reaction. Student, the atoms are the smallest particle of an element which can exist and atom take part in a chemical reaction. Student, atoms are called the building blocks of all matter. All matter are made up of, are composed of atoms. Student, next point is Greek philosopher Democritus discovered the atom. The word atom came from a Greek word atomos, meaning indivisible. Indivisible means which can't be divided. So as the atom is the smallest and the simplest particle, so it is impossible to divide an atom. So atom, the word atom was came from a Greek word atomos, meaning indivisible. Student, all matter, living or non-living, is made up of atoms. Student, every part, everything in our earth is composed of atom. Atoms are the building block of all matter. We have three states of matter: liquid, solid, liquid, and gas. So all these states of matter are composed of atom, and atoms are the smallest particle, smallest part of an all matter. Next point is students, atoms are so small. Students, atoms are so small that we can't see with atoms with our naked eye. Atom even can't see with the ordinary microscope. We can only see the electron with the help of electron microscope. Student, Democritus was the scientist who discovered the atom, who discovered atom under the electron microscope. Without the electron microscope, it is impossible to see the atom. Student, more than 10 trillion atoms needed to cover a full stop. Student, if I place a full stop at the end of a sentence, then the full stop contains more than 10 trillion of atoms. So atoms are very small. Atoms are tiny particles which can't be seen with the naked eye. Atom can only be seen with the help of electron microscope. For example, hydrogen atom. Here I have written some symbol and example of atom. Student, scientists' experiment have shown that all matter is indeed made up of atoms. However, they are very different from what Democritus thought them to be. Here are some example. Hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom is represented by symbol H. Carbon atom is represented by symbol C. Oxygen atom is represented by symbol O. Student, all matter, living or non-living, is made up of atoms. Atoms are so small that you cannot see them with an ordinary microscope. More than 10 trillion atoms needed to cover the full stop at the end of the sentence. Next point is, student, each element is made up of its own type of atom. Carbon is made up of Identical carbon atom. Iron is made up of identical iron atoms. Students, the atoms of different element are different in size depending upon the number of electron present inside the atom. Here I have written some important sample and the atoms, names of the atom and their symbol. First of all, Na represents the sodium, Cl represents the chlorine, K represents the potassium, P represents the phosphorus, U represents the uranium, Br belongs to bromine, N belongs to nitrogen, S is known as sulfur, He represents the helium, Be represents beryllium. Student, we have many atoms. These are only a few examples, so I have written here and many more. So student, this is your today's topic, or today's topic is what is an atom. Atom, I am repeating the definition of atom. Atoms are the smallest particle of an element that can exist or take part in a chemical reaction. So student, this is all about today's lecture. Thank you students.